say bless, all that tires. Look, it's a surprise, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be my lover, yeah.
Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Funmibi here again with another hair tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the reason why I'm so excited. Can you guys tell that I'm really excited? This hairstyle is the reason why I'm so excited. It's such a gorgeous hairstyle and I'm just here to show you guys how you can replicate this beautiful style on yourself as well. This hairstyle right here got a lot of compliments. This particular day I was going out and you guys, my pride was on another level. So if you also be interested in getting your hair snatched like this and looking yummy, then you definitely want to keep watching. Okay beauties, it's time to get started. This is the weave that I'm going to be using for the purpose of achieving this hairstyle. It's the Xpression multi weave and I'm going to be using a crochet pin. This is not the type you want to use. You want to use a very small crochet pin, this one right here. You guys can see the difference. The chunky one will not do the job well for you, so you need a very small crochet pin. This small crochet pin in Nigeria goes for just 200 naira. It might be cheaper elsewhere, but I got mine for 200 naira. And this is the wig cap I'm going to be using. This wig cap is so comfortable. Like guys, when I tell you it's so comfortable, it's amazing. You can also use this other type of wig cap, but for me I prefer that other spandex crochet wig cap. It's very convenient. You won't even feel like you're carrying something on your head. Before I get started, I need to cut the weave into two. So the extension, that full locks extension, the Xpression multi, you need to first of all cut it into two and then begin to separate it. It's very easy to separate. This thing separates easily. I know when you see it at first you think, oh, if I separate it, it's going to tangle up, but you guys, it's not even difficult to separate at all. You need to separate it into 6 parts. So one single lock has to be separated into 6 parts for you to start crocheting it on the wig cap. I already separated mine into 6 and this is me just beginning to crochet the hair on my spandex wig cap. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Anyway, so this is me just crocheting. I have a lot of crochet tutorials on my channel. I'm going to see if I can link one on this page just so you see how to crochet hair very well, just in case you're one of those people that don't know how to crochet. But yeah, this is me just crocheting that hair that I separated into 6 parts onto my crochet cap. This hairstyle takes a lot of patience. Like if you're not patient, you might not be able to achieve something really nice. So you need to make sure that you're very relaxed, no pressure, take your time. This hair took me I think 2 days for me to complete it because I was also busy. I had other stuff that I was attending to in my family, of course, so I couldn't really just do everything in one day. But yeah, so my point here is don't rush it. Like take your time. If you like, say, do it for 1 week. The point is that you do something really gorgeous on yourself. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I'm crocheting and just carrying you guys along. I'm sorry that my camera kept moving. I just wanted to make sure that I'm giving you guys a good angle so you get to see what I am doing very well. So this is me just crocheting and I'll be crocheting all the way to a certain point before I now start to, you know, switch up the style. And don't worry guys, this video is very detailed. I took my time to incorporate every single step of how I achieved this particular hairstyle for you guys, so nobody will miss out on anything. If you have questions, as usual, I always tell you guys, feel free. Like, we are family, no need for being shy or anything like that. Shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram page somewhere on this page. Shoot me a DM, mention me or something, or just feel free to reach out to me. I wish you guys could call me. But yeah, I can't put my phone number on the internet. But yeah, just reach me via DM on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Also, you can just drop a comment on here. I'm very active in my comment section. I would answer any questions that you have concerning this particular hairstyle. I'm going to keep quiet for a while now, so I just allow you guys see what I'm doing, and yeah, I'll be right back.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning, I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you, love best friend and be family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way, and everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning, I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you, love best friend and be family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, yeah. I wanna know it tonight, I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning, I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you, love best friend and be family. I wanna know it tonight, I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning, I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you, love best friend and be family. Anything that you do now, everything that you do, everything that you do now. Oh no, 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 no. I get the look, come on, look at me. Every time when I look up at me, I get the look, come on, look at me. Every time when I look up at me, I get the look, come on, look at me. Every time when I look up at me, I get the look, come on, look at me.
Alright guys, so I've gone far and it's time to start switching things up. For this part of the hair, you need to reduce the quantity of weave that you're crocheting on. So before now, you know, we were separating each lock to 6 parts. Now you have to separate each lock to about 12 parts. You want it to be very, very slim. All these steps that I'm sharing with you guys are just ways in which this particular hairstyle is going to come out looking absolutely flawless on you. So you want to separate each lock to 12 parts. So after you separate each lock to 6 parts, you now begin to separate each individual one into even smaller bits. This is to allow the fringe part of this particular hairstyle look very, very natural. I don't know how to put it for you guys, but it makes it look very, it looks like something that is growing from your scalp basically. Like, people have to look closely for them to realize that it's actually crochet. People will think you actually went to sit down in a salon and had your hair braided. That's how this hair looks. I'm going to show you guys the final look at the end where you get to see what the scalp looks like. But yeah, separate the, once you start getting to the front, when you've crocheted round throughout the back, crocheted everywhere basically, just like you can see now, you now have to separate. You look at how tiny this bit is. This is how tiny you want it to be. Very, very slim basically. And then you now begin to, you know, crochet. I know I'm sounding very firm and everything, but it's just, I'm just passionate about this particular wig. I want you guys to make something really gorgeous. You know, you guys, Christmas is coming and this wig right here is on a budget. Everything I spent on this wig it wasn't a lot at all. Like, the attachments that I used for this wig was 750 naira each. In some places you see it for 800 naira, and I used 2 packs and just a little bit. I didn't use up to 3 packs. I used just about 2.5 packs to achieve this look. So that was just the weave. Then I, of course, the other accessories. But yeah, my point is this hairstyle right here is on a budget. Something very classy, very, very gorgeous. And I mean, you're not breaking the bank to achieve this beautiful look. So yeah, I'm just sounding like this because I want you guys to do it really, really well on yourselves. So yeah, this is me just crocheting this part in front. Once I got to this part, I was very intentional, taking my time, making sure that each strand is very slim, and I'm crocheting as patiently as possible. I sped up this part, of course, because I couldn't take you guys through the whole process. You guys are not here for that kind of thing, so I'm just going to be crocheting this bit in front because I want this particular hairstyle to be a fringe. If you want yours to be a side part or all back or anything like that, feel free to do whatever makes you happy. But for me, I wanted it to be a fringe because I've seen that curly fringe usually looks very nice on me. You guys saw the picture that I posted on Instagram. I'm going to insert it somewhere on this page, and a lot of you guys loved the hair. The engagement on that particular hairstyle was amazing, amazing, and amazing. And I knew I just had to drop this tutorial for you guys because a lot of people were very eager to see how I was able to achieve this particular hairstyle. So yeah, I'm just crocheting this bit in front like you guys can see, and once I'm done, I'm just going to show you guys other steps that I'm going to take in making sure that this hair comes out looking snatched. So yeah, just watch me do this part in front, then we'll continue talking about it. Okay guys, so we are gradually getting to the end of this video. This is what the hair looks like now. Obviously you guys can see, and all I'm doing now is I'm just trimming. For me, I love full hair. I love when my hair looks very full and very, it calls attention, right? I love hair like that, so that's why my hair is this full. Feel free to do this particular hairstyle to whatever level of fullness you want, right? Feel free to just do it, customize it to your own taste. All right, this is just how I like mine, and all I'm doing is I'm just trimming excesses here and there. I'm not doing too much with the trimming. I'm just trimming excesses here and there, in front, at the back, at the side, and all that stuff. And I showed you guys how I went about trimming, just in case anybody's interested in seeing how I trimmed the hair. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm just still giving everything a final touch just to make sure that everything looks nice. This is the final hair, and it's time for me to style it on myself. You guys know that whenever I make wigs like this, I like to show you guys how it looks on me so you guys can picture how it will look on you. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead now to remove this weave from the mannequin head and show you guys how I'm going to be styling it. Okay, what happened? You guys, look at how gorgeous this hair looks on your girl. It looks super duper beautiful, guys. The amount of compliments I got on this particular day, guys, it was not even here on Instagram. My Instagram family kept showing me love. My friends, my people on Instagram did not even allow me rest. You guys showed me a lot of love on this particular day. I'm going to insert the picture I took on that day. I think that's just yesterday. Actually, I posted a picture yesterday and you guys loved it. Even my husband could not take his eyes off me. He was like, look at my wife. Like, I kept blushing. Now you guys know, if you're my G, you know that whenever you compliment me like this, my head will just be swelling anyhow. This was me talking to my sisters and they kept telling me, oh my god, this hair is so fine, it's so fine, it's so fine. And you guys just need to go and make this weave for yourself. And like I said on Instagram, if you're in Nigeria and you can't be bothered to be making this thing for yourself, feel free to hit me up. I can make it for you at a very cheap price, strictly for my Nigerian people, right? My international guys, I'm sorry, but right now I won't be able to juggle shipping stuff outside the country at the moment. But don't worry, as time goes on, as the ministry begins to expand, I'm going to do something, organize something for you guys outside the country as well. So yeah, this is what the scalp looks like. Like, can you guys see how natural that scalp looks? It looks very, very natural. And yeah, that's just pretty much it for this look. You guys can tell that I kept feeling myself like there was so much pride going on with me on this particular day. So yeah, feel free to recreate this beautiful hairstyle on yourself. If you're watching this video currently and you're not subscribed to my channel, you know you enjoyed watching this video, you know you learned something. So how about you just join the family so you don't miss any other fantastic tutorial from me. So please go ahead to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, if you love the final look, if you love the hairstyle, please let me know by giving me a big fat thumbs up. It makes me know that you guys got value from watching this video. All right guys, I said all right guys like 3 times now. For real, all right guys, thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me as usual. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you guys in another tutorial. Have a beautiful week.